The E1 error code on your DeLonghi portable air conditioner typically indicates a problem with the unit's sensors, most commonly the room temperature sensor or RTS thermistor. This sensor measures the ambient air temperature in your room to help regulate the temperature of the cool air coming out of the unit. When this sensor fails, your AC cannot properly balance its cooling output. In some models, the E1 error can also indicate a more general internal communication failure. Let's go through the initial troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. First, reset the unit by unplugging it from the power outlet and letting it sit for 5 minutes. Then, plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset can often resolve temporary sensor communication issues. Next, check the power supply by testing the outlet with another device and inspecting the power cord for any visible damage. A faulty power connection can sometimes trigger error codes. Clean or replace the air filters and clean the evaporator and condenser coils. Dirty components can interfere with proper airflow and temperature sensing, leading to error codes. Finally, check for any water leaks or accumulation inside the unit and ensure proper drainage. Water buildup can damage sensors and cause communication errors between components. These initial troubleshooting steps should resolve most E1 sensor errors. The key is to ensure proper power, clean components, and correct drainage. If these steps don't solve the problem, more advanced troubleshooting techniques may be required. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the E1 error, advanced steps may be necessary. These require more technical knowledge and should be approached with caution. First, inspect the thermistor cables for any visible damage or loose connections. These temperature sensors are critical for proper AC operation. The electronic expansion valve, or EXV, controls refrigerant flow. A faulty EXV can trigger the E1 error by disrupting proper temperature regulation. Low refrigerant levels can also cause E1 errors. Professional leak detection equipment is needed to properly diagnose refrigerant issues. Safety is paramount. If you notice smoke, sparks, or unusual odors, immediately disconnect the unit and contact a professional. Never attempt repairs on a damaged unit. Contact qualified technicians when basic troubleshooting fails, when you lack technical expertise, or when internal components need servicing. Professional diagnosis ensures safe and effective repairs. Regular maintenance prevents many E1 errors. Clean filters monthly, ensure proper ventilation, drain water regularly, and schedule annual professional inspections to keep your unit running efficiently.